And then in today's video I'll be talking about the ROI, return on investment, on this platform. That's what I'm going to talk about. What to expect on your investment. If you do this, what you expect 24 hours, every 24 hours, 60 days, 15 days, 24 hours, 180 days, 365 days. Can this program last for that moment? Let's watch and see. From the feedback we get from the CEO, it gives me a little bit confident to work in this platform and then walk away. Now, to get more understanding, first of all, you know what to do. Now, what is ROI? Return on investment, or ROI, is a mathematic formula that investors can use to evaluate their investment and judge how well a particular investment has performed compared to others. An ROI calculator is something used with other approach to develop a business case for a given time. The overall ROI for an enterprise is used as a way to guide how well a company is managed. Well, in that case, you understand better that one of these ROI is one of these ways to calculate your return on investment if you are doing most of these online platforms. So you understand now. I'm from Nigeria though. Now this is the ROI 24 hours bold for 2.3%. You see, one of the things I understand about these things are, if you do massive investment, you will see massive result. That is, if you can take risk, you can actually see result for taking risk. Now, for $10 you get 23 cents. For $20 you get, that is every 24 hours, you get 46 cents. $50 you get $1.15. For $100 you get $2.30. For $500 you get $11.50. For $1,000 you get $23 every day for 24 hours. 1,500 you get $34.50. For $2,000 you get $46 for 24 hours. Now, if you do this for 1 month, look at the return on investment here for 1 month for 24 hours. Now, why do I talk about 24 hours? Is because you can actually move your money by 5:30 p.m. Nigerian time to your balance and then withdraw both your capital and profit made for 24 hours for that day. So you'll see. So if you do it for 30 days, so in 30 days your $10 will be $19. That is where compounding interest comes in, if you understand how it works. Now, for $20 your money will be $39.50 in 30 days. For $50 you will have $91 in 30 days if you compound it for 30 days. 24 hours you can have access to withdraw. I'll talk about that about the 15 days on plan. So for 100 you have 97.82 in 30 days for compounding. So you are making 97% in a month. Now for 500 you will make 989.10 in 30 days. 24 hours compounding interest is this. For $1,000 you will make 978 in 30 days for compounding interest with 24 hours 2.3% market. Now for $1,500 you make $2,967 in 24 hours, compound interest of 2.3% every day. For $2,000 you will make $3,956.39 in 24 hours. Now let's go to 1 year graph. In 1 year your $10 will be $40,000 in 1 year. That is, if you leave it for 1 year on this very boat and you don't run it, don't touch it for 1 year, this is what you get for 1 year. If you do it for $20 for 1 year, you will have $80,000. If you do 100, if you do 50, sorry, for 1 year, you have $200,000. So this is it for 1 year. I'm not talking about 1 year because anything can happen. Like I normally said, anything can happen. This is business. So now let's move to boat 4. I don't want to jump this slide so you understand better. Now this is boat 4. You have to start this boat with the minimum of $20, and you have to stick to this boat for 15 days. You're not going to touch it for 15 days. This is 30 days compounding interest. After 15 days, you can do the next 15 days and make it 30 days. For 30 days, you are going to get $50. That is about 30. You have about $31 as profit in 30 days. If you do 30 days for $20, that is the amount you can do for this boat. Now, if you do $50, you have $80 in 15 days. If you leave it to compound for the next 30 days, you have $128 after that 30 days. Now if you do 100 in 15 days, you have $64 to yourself, 40 cents. And if you leave it to compound for 30 days, you will have $257 to yourself. You understand now? So if you take your $100 out of it, you have $157 as profit for 30 days. For $500 account, in 15 days you have 801. If you leave it for 30 days, that is 1 full month, you have $1,286. So you understand now? So if you, like what I normally say, if you want to take this risk, why not go for these packages? This very one that gives you 3.2% on a daily basis. Why not go for that package and then relax? After 30 days, after 15 days, you take away your capital, and the rest you can run it with your business on this platform. So now if you do $1,000, you have 1,600 in 15 days, 2,570 in 30 days. 1,500, you have 2,400, you have 3,800 in 30 days. $2,000, you have 3,000. After 30 days, you will have $5,000, and the profit is 2,000, 3,000 pure profit for you. If you do $3,000 in 15 days, you have 4,811. In 30 days, you have pure profit of 7,780. So if you take 3,000 out of your money, you know that 3,000 out of your money, you know that you have pure profit of $4,000. If you do $5,000 for 15 days, you have $8,000 for 15 days. So you're in profit of about $3,000. If you leave it for 30 days, Coach, this program has done 30 days already. We are already running by March, April, which is tomorrow. We are going to today, which time you're watching this video, we are going to be doing 30 days on the 17th. Being 30 days. So you see now, without that, that is 60 days. You see that in 30 days you are getting $12,000 for this account. That is about $6,000. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, it's about $6,000 plus as profit. Now if you do $10,000 in 15 days, you have $6,000. You can keep 10,000 your money back and then run with the rest, and run again another 15 days for 10,000, and then for 5,000, and then about $8,000. You understand now? If you leave for 30 days, you have about $25,000. Now if you decide to risk it for this 180 days, which is about 4 months thereabout, you will see the figure is crazy. Is crazy, guys. The figure is damn crazy. You see, for your $20, look at what you'll be earning: $5,000. That is what you'll be earning for your $20. For your $50, you'll be earning 14,000. For your 100, you'll be earning $28,000. For your 500, you'll be earning $144,000. Same as $1,000, about $289,000. So this is the ROI for your return on investment if you do the boat 2, which is for UltraBot 4.0. So this is your boat, and then the third one I'm talking about here is the 60 days boat. The 60 days boat starts with $50, and the actual return on investment on a daily basis is 5%. You understand now? 5% on your return. 50, if 60 days, you have 933 to yourself. If you leave it for 120 days, that is 3 months plus. You will 4 months. You will have about $17,000. Is that possible? Fine, it left to you. The risk is just yours to take. Now, if you do $100, you have $1,867 to yourself in 60 days. If you decide to run it for the next 120 days, you will have yourself about $34,000 from a $100 account. That is it. If you do $500, you have $9,339 in 60 days. If you do it for 120 days, you have $174,000 to yourself. For $1,000, you will have $18,000 in 60 days. If you do that for 120 days, you have $348,000. One of the beauty of this is that you can determine when you become a millionaire in dollars on this platform by yourself. So if you do 5,000, you have $93,000, and after 60 days, you have after 120 days, you have $1.7 million. Is this real? Then you need to know. The risk is yours to take. If you want to venture into it, my dear, be responsible for your risk. $10,000 will give you $186,000 in 60 days. After the 60 days, for 120, you have $3.4 million. For $15,000, you have $280,000 in 60 days. So now, if you decide to leave it for 120 days, you have $5.2 million US. $20,000 is the max for that account, and you have to yourself in 60 days $373,000 in 60 days. You leave it for the next 120 days, you have yourself $6.9 million. Is this possible to make this kind of money in cryptocurrency? Yes. I've seen people who made $1 million in 60 days in cryptocurrency. So this is your capital at the baseline here, and this is your ROI for 60 days and 120 days. Now, I don't want to go about talking about the 1 year plan. I know it could last, I know it may not last, depending what is the initial of what is going to be happening here. About 120% you earn on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, depending your return on investment, your capital, and one of the things I'm talking about here now. Now, on Saturday, on the April 12th, we'll be hosting a Zoom meeting with the founder of this AGT, and I would love you to bring your questions on by that time, and you can ask him your personal questions and all of that. As you can see here, this is AGT from Nigeria, and if you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.